Addition of integers. Another awesome day, students! Welcome back to my classroom. For today's lesson, you are going to learn how to add integers using 3 different methods. Now, let us begin. Addition of integers can be done in 3 ways. Using the number line, using the sine tiles, and using the rules. Let us start with the first example. We have here 1 plus 4. I know that you already know the answer to this, but let me show you how to solve this using a number line. The first addends is positive 1, and we need to add positive 4. Since this is positive, we are going to move 4 units to the right of the number line. So we count 1, 2, 3, and 4. At what point on the number line does it stop? Good job! Stops at point 5. Therefore, positive 1 plus positive 4 equals positive 5. Let's solve this second example. Negative 8 plus positive 5. On the number line, start from negative 8 and count 5 units going to the right since the sign of 5 is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It stops at negative 3. Hence, negative 8 plus positive 5 equals negative 3. Next example, 7 plus negative 6. We start counting from positive 7 and 6 units to the left since the sign of 6 is negative. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It stops at positive 1. So positive 7 plus negative 6 is positive 1. Another example. Negative 2 plus negative 4. So on the number line, we start from negative 2 and count 4 units going to the left since 4 is negative. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Addition of integers using sine tiles. Let black tile represents positive 1 and yellow tile represents negative 1. When we combine one black tile and one yellow tile, they will cancel each other. Let's try. 1 plus 4. So we get 1 positive tile and 4 positive tiles. So if we count them all, there are 5 tiles. So positive 1 plus positive 4 equals positive 5. Next, negative 8 plus positive 5. Using the algebra tiles or the sine tiles, we have 8 negative tiles and 5 positive tiles. We have to remember that a pair of positive and negative will cancel each other. Thus, it's equal to 0. Now let's take a look and find some pairs in our tiles. Very good. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pairs. So we need to cancel them. Now we have 3 negatives left. So negative 8 plus positive 5 equals negative 3. Let's try another example. Positive 7 plus negative 6. Using our sine tiles, we have 7 positive tiles and 6 negative tiles. Remember that a pair of a positive and negative tile is equal to 0. So we simply cancel them. There you go! We have cancelled 6 pairs, so we have 1 positive left. Hence, positive 1 plus negative 6 equals positive 1. Another example. Negative 2 plus negative 4. Using the sine tiles, we have 2 negatives and 4 negatives. So if we count them all, we have how many negatives? Correct. We have 6 negatives. Therefore, negative 2 plus negative 4 equals negative 6. Well done, learners! The following are the rules in adding integers. Rule number 1. When the integers have like or same signs, add the numbers and copy the common sign. Rule number 2. When the integers have unlike or different signs, subtract the numbers and use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Let us add the following integers using the rules. Positive 8 plus positive 5. Using the rule, they have like signs, so we add 8 and 5, then copy the common positive sign. negative signs. Negative 9 plus negative 10 equals negative 19. Another one. Negative 4 plus positive 2. Using the rules of adding integers, we notice that they have different signs or unlike signs. They have unlike signs, so subtract 2 from 4, then copy the sign of 4 since it has the greater absolute value. So, it is equal to negative 2. And lastly, 12 plus negative 3. Again, they have different signs or unlike signs. So we subtract 3 from 12. Then copy the sign of 12 since it has the greater absolute value. So 12 plus negative 3 equals positive 9. Negative 9 plus positive 7. Let us solve this example in 3 ways. Using the rule, using the sign tiles, and using the number line. Using the rule of adding integers, we notice that these two numbers have different signs. So we subtract 7 from 9. That is positive 2. Since 9 has the greater absolute value, we copy the negative sign and attach it to 2. So we have negative 2 as the answer. How about if we use the sign tiles? We have 9 negatives and 7 positives. So we cancel 7 pairs of positive and negative tiles. How many tiles were left? Correct. We have 2 negative tiles left. Using the number line, we start from negative 9 and count how many units to the right. Yes, we count 7 units to the right, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stops at negative 2. There you go. Our answer is missing using the 3 methods. So negative 9 plus positive 7 equals negative 2. Great job, learners! Now, it's your turn. Add the following integers. You are given 10 seconds to answer, and your time starts now. Time's up! Let us see if you answered correctly. 10 plus negative 4 equals positive 6. Correct. Negative 12 plus negative 8 equals negative 20. Correct. Negative 5 plus negative 5 equals negative 10. Correct. Thanks for watching.